Alright, y'all. So real quick, we're gonna open up this headgear and take a look at it. But first, let me tell you guys how I ended up with it. I went to Hobby Lobby. I bought one from Hobby Lobby, which is way bigger than this one. And when I got it home, I figured out that they use batteries. I didn't even read the package. I just grabbed it, you know. So I figured when I use it, I want to use it maybe 2 hours at a time. So I felt like I needed one that rechargeable. So I went to Google and researched, chargeable magnifying headset, and this came up. Okay, so they had other ones too, but I believe this one was cheaper, and the reviews on it seemed like they were good. So this is a rechargeable LED eyeglass bracket headband interchangeable magnifier, and this is the number here 989 2B 2B2C. All right, so that's the item number. So you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 different sizes in the magnify and the magnifying glass come in 5 different sizes, and it says it has a 5H hardness level. So I'm guessing that's pretty good. I don't know anything about that. So here are the features. You are welcome to pause the video and read them. So you can use it for book reading, handcraft, or mechanical repair. For me, I'm using it to build my model scale cars. I build 124th and 125th model scale cars. So the parts are very small, so I needed one of these. And it is made in China. So let's see what we got. So we got a thank you card off top. Got a set of instructions here. You guys are welcome to pause these instructions too as well to take a look at it. All right. So it kind of has like a, it got the eyeglass arms on it with the cushions inside, also for your nose and forehead. And it looks like if this wears out, you're able to get another part because it has 2 small screws here and some alignment pins. So I'm guessing you can switch it out if you need to. So you have this part here that moves, so easy to adjust. You have this part here that does the same, and that's what the bottom looks like. It's real sturdy. And here's your switch here for your light, and it has 2 lights, and it has 2 different settings. So and it's pretty bright too. So over here is where your charging port, and here you're able to press this in and remove that on both sides, and it has a headband, adjustable headband. You could, let's see, so you got the headband. If this gets uncomfortable for you, headband. Or if you got a big old head like mine, you probably need this headband. Okay. So here is the charger. Of course, it doesn't come with a head on it, and it has the old style charger to it. So you have to put your charger head on there. And here's your different lenses, and it comes with a nice wiping cloth. So here's your different lenses, and they sit off in that slot right here. And it also tells you, so it tells you on here the size of it, if you can see right here, tell you the size of it. So it just snaps in here, and you turn it on. You can adjust it however you want. Not bad. When you're done, take it loose. You can clean it. Me personally, I probably would use a microfiber rag. Take it, put it back in the slots, close it. This is a nice case too, because it's locked. This material is well put together. It's not flimsy or nothing like that. So I think it's well worth the money. I think it was like 15 bucks. So after you're done, you would just fold this down, sit it back there, or wherever you want to, however you want to store it. That's up to you. So you can fold it back up, sit it back, your charger, your arms if you want to put them back on. If not, they sit in the box perfect. Easy to store. Small box. All right. Thank y'all for watching.